for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, little artists. Hello, Artie. 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 Are you ready to make some art?
Good day, little artists.
Good day, Betty. Go and get your pens.
Do you think Artie is going to create another masterpiece?
Nothing's gonna keep us apart. We're gonna watch the kid make art.
Okay.
Do you like chickens? Should we draw one?
Yay! Okay.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Okay, let's start. So, let's draw a quarter of a circle at the top of the page, like Artie just did. And then we'll draw an arc shape coming down from there. A bigger, flatter arc. Okay, that's really good. Now let's draw 3 oval shapes. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Great start, Artie. Now we're going to draw the bottom half of a circle, just half a circle. Join all the way up to the 3 oval shapes. Well, it's going to look like a chicken in a minute. Just be patient, Artie. Let's draw his beak. So let's do an arc shape, and then a curve, then another arc, back to that curve. Then let's do the bottom part of his beak, all the way back, and perfect. And continue that little curved line to the beak. That's right, just, no, a little bit further up. There. There you go, perfect. Now let's do 2 little ovals under the beak. There you go. Very good. You want a snack break? Okay. I see you have some fruit. You have a lovely peach. Peaches grow in trees, and their fuzzy skin protects them from insects who find peaches as yummy as we humans do. Peaches need lots of sunshine to grow, so next time you bite into a peach, you can taste the sun. Peaches are very rich in vitamins, so they are very healthy for you to eat. Peaches are used in yummy desserts like peach pie and peach cobbler, even peach-flavored ice cream.
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum indeed.
I wish we had a snack break, Mikey.
We'll get you a snack later, Betty. Artie's drawing a back-to-front C for the chicken's wing. And here come the chicken legs. Just 3 little chicken claws. 1, 2, 3. No offense, Artie, but your legs are a little bit like chicken legs. Aww. I'm only kidding. There's the second chicken leg. Yay! Now what's missing? That's right, the eyes. Let's do a small oval eye on the left. Draw in the pupil of the eye. And then let's do a really big oval eye on the right. That's really big. And draw in the pupil in that eye. You know what I noticed, Artie? Your chicken is egg-shaped. That's really funny. Because chickens lay eggs. There's a little bit of your egg shape missing there. Can you see? Just above the beak? That's right. There you go. Just fill that in. Perfect. Now we have a perfect egg-shaped chicken. Okay, all that's missing is that funny red part on top of the chicken's head. You know what it's called?
No.
It's actually called a comb. Because it's sort of comb-shaped, like the combs we use to comb our hair.
I'm thinking of a color. It's in my head. The color I'm thinking of is red.
That's right, Mikey. A red comb. Well, we must be finished now. I guess that's the end of... Oh, Artie's drawing something else. What are you drawing, Artie? A comb? Oh, wait. I think I know what this is. I think our egg-shaped chicken has laid an egg. And it's hatching.
What?
Finished?
What?
He is a very cute chicken. Well, you did a great job today, Artie. You drew an egg-shaped chicken, and you put a comb on his head, and he laid an egg. Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.